Why do they talk like that in movies? Holy crap, dude.
Holy crap.
Dude,
Vic,
Phil.
turn around.
Dude, turn around, Vic.
Turn
Vic,
around.
Vic, behind
Vic.
you. Vic. I
Oh,
can't believe Phil
no.
betrayed us.
Probably try to rape me.
Uh-oh. Oh my god, he better rape you.
Yeah, he's
But
about-
he just shot in suppository, dude. He put the shotgun in his butthole. Kisses him.
he did say so. Oh, he's about to kiss me
Uh-oh,
on the
uh-oh.
lips, bro.
He's about to rape him.
That's a really intimate moment.
It really is, dude. That's so deep.
Ugh.
Holy crap, he's pulling a shotgun at Vic, drunk. Ah, whatever.
Kill him.
I want to kill Phil one day. I don't care how many times I lose the mission, just to kill him. See the life leave his eyes. Dude, I don't think trucks can accelerate that fast.
That and like when you're drunk, right? You don't just do shit. You
Yeah,
know?
you don't just slam the
Yeah.
gas in your car. You actually try to drive, you just can't do it well. You
Yeah,
know what I
like,
mean?
like you just like swerve, like
Yeah,
you
yeah.
know, like you can't stay on the road. But no, he just straight rammed into a fucking wall.
Why is it that like in TV and movies, being drunk is always so just they just think you're retarded. You know what I mean? They just think that you put like lampshades on your head and like start like twerking and stuff.
Yeah,
Like that's not what happens.
like nah, dude.
Like something like you'll get really happy and then look really sad a little bit.
Did you ever do those drunk goggles in school?
Yeah.
Those were so unrealistic.
Dude, that's not what brings drunk. Dude, when I was in college in my freshman year, they have weed goggles. That was the most unrealistic thing I've ever seen.
Dude, weed doesn't even impair your vision.
Dude, wanna know what it did? It made all your vision green. Dead ass. It straight up made all your vision green. I'm being dead ass. That's all it did. And they're like, really? Do you think this is what happens? You smoke weed, all you see is green?
Dude, the drunk goggles, you can't, you literally, it's literally like a kaleidoscope.
Yeah, you literally can't see. Like,
But that is not what being drunk
like
is like.
I will say when you're really drunk, you do get like a motion blur. You know what I mean? Like you see
Yeah.
and it's blurry, but it's not like you just see whoa, I have 4 hands. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? Like, God.
Like, if you held up fingers, how many fingers am I holding up? I'd be able to tell you.
Yeah, I could be like, oh yeah, 3.
Unless you try to trick me, like.
Yeah, by like waving them.
Putting your thumb up. Like,
Yeah.
oh, nope, that doesn't count as a finger.
Or like you put up the middle finger. How many fingers am I holding up? Like you can't tell they're flipping you off or like they're being serious
The cops watch you do that.
and do millions of dollars in damage.
Oh, shit. Get him.
Oh my God.
Shit.
How did
How's
Phil
he
not
not
go,
dead?
Yeah, how did Phil not go flying out the window? I didn't even know Phil had an Uzi on him. I thought he had a shotgun.
Yeah, right?
He had a shotgun. Oh, wait, okay, now the pedestrians are running because you hear gunshots.
I didn't know he had a little Uzi on him.
Yeah, little Uzi vertical. We should be
Uh-oh.
We should become a rapper called Little Uzi Horizontal. Oh, hold on, I want to get this Uzi though.
Yeah,
That's
you
a
do.
Scorpion.
Dude, they just took every gun from Modern Warfare.
Dude, this game literally ripped off Modern Warfare.
The new one.
This game straight up ripped off Fortnite. There's an AR in it.
Yeah, this is literally ripped
Yeah,
off
this
Fortnite.
game
It has
has-
an AR, an SMG, a sniper.
Yeah, like dude, like come on, you couldn't
Just
think,
like Fortnite? Like, come on.
you couldn't think of your own guns.
I think it's funny how, like, Fortnite doesn't even have names for their guns. It's
Yeah,
just AR,
They might as well,
SMG.
yeah, they might as well just call it gun. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like
Long rangey boy.
scope gun, shotgun.
Looking like a daisy.
I want to trash this
Damn,
truck
you almost
now.
ran over Fat Albert,
Yeah,
bro.
dude, looking fresh as a daisy, huh?
Yeah, that's what I thought, you idiot. Oh my god, dude.
Yeah, how fresh is it looking now, Phil?
Yeah, Phil.
Phil Swift.
Can you get a haircut in this game?
I don't think so.
Damn, that's kind of messed up.
Yeah, my boy Vic's got to stay with the skin. With the skank.
With skin bulge.
Yeah, when I was in high school, the kids would be like skank every time like a guy came in with like a haircut that was like a buzz cut.
Skin.
Yeah, they're like skank. Oh, he's skank. They say shit like that, dude. They'd probably
It'd be
slap him on
funny
the
if they
head.
were like, yeah, I was gonna say they were
Yeah.
like scant, slap him on the head.
Yeah, they would like slap him on the head, touch his head, rub it. Yeah, man, that was high school, man. Crazy times.
That was your high school.
Yeah, that was my high. Your high school was like, all right, we're gonna read out of the Mormon Bible now.
No, it was not.
Your high school was like, okay, let's do some coke in the bathroom.
Yeah. My school was like, let's go drink some White Claws.
Yeah, let's drink some White Claws and hit our Jewel and drive in a dash speedboat.
Yeah. Cause it was like a what do you call it, like a middle to upper middle class high school,
Yeah.
but like everyone still did shit like drink Four Locos and
Yeah.
and smoke cigarettes and dip
Ugh.
and shit.
Well, it's like what I think in every high school, everyone does crazy shit like that. Unless you go to like a private Mormon school.
Oh, I don't. I never drank a day in my life.
Oh yeah, me neither. I don't even know what weed is. Like,
Yeah. I've never done coke. I swear to God.
I don't even drink Coca-Cola because I heard there's cocaine in it.
I swear to God, I've never
Dude,
done
I'm still
coke.
driving Phil's truck.
I swear to God, I've never done coke.
Okay.
You'd have to cut this out, dude. I just shit my pants.
Was there another accident? Oh.
Damn,
I avoided
bro.
him that time, dude. I spared his life. Oh, they know it is that shitty ass
Is this the
forklift
forklift
mission.
mission?
It is.
Hey, that means we're gonna get caught up.
You're right, dude. Boom. What? Oh, I think I gotta be outside the car.
Dude, I have a boogie in my nose.
Ew.
What if I pick it out?
Go ahead. Just don't look at me while you do it. Ew. Oh no, dude. What's wrong with Phil? What if he was just dead? Face down to the concrete. He was just dead.
What if they just placed like cement there and like he had an outline of his body in the cement?
What if like the floor was wet cement and he fell face down and it harder and he got stuck there in the cement and the mission was you gotta get him out of the cement.
You're like tie a truck to like his belt loop.
Find a jackhammer and try to break the concrete around him. But like in the beginning it's like cartoon, like use butter. He'd probably be dead, he couldn't breathe.
Yeah. What if he was back first? Like,
Yeah, that'd make more sense. He's like back first stuck in concrete. Like he's like, Vic, I fell into the concrete.
You sound like Bill Clinton.
Hale, I fell back in the concrete. They're doing the driveway. I fell back in the concrete. Help me out, Hale's Harden. Boom.
Hill and Bill.
That should be a sitcom. Hill and Bill. That's what Hillary Clinton and Bill Clinton.
I'd watch that.
I would so watch that. Like, hey, Hill, check it out. Hey, Hill, I swear to God, I didn't get heads from Monica. That was just a joke, haha. Alright.
Imagine they were just like included into Seinfeld.
Like Hillary Clinton and Bill Clinton were just both like...
Yeah.
Like Kramer walks in, yo Jerry, why is your milk rotten? Well, I don't know, Kramer. You left it out too long. And then Bill Clinton's like, dang Kramer, you left the milk out. I was trying to get some cereal.
That's a good idea, dude.
Yeah, dude, we should redo that.
Hill and Bill can make cameos.
Yeah. No, they're like key characters in Seinfeld. Did he just die?
I think he. Oh, never mind. I thought he disappeared, dude. All right, dude.
Oh, dude, I hate this mission so
dude,
much.
dude.
Oh my god.
We got it though.
Oh Christ. All right, yeah, you're right. I remember if we remember the
You
pattern correctly.
You can go straight
You
up.
actually can't with a camera though for some reason.
There you go.
Ooh, whip it. Ooh, look at my boy Vic,
You ever
dude.
done a whip it? No, I've never done any
No,
drugs.
I've never done whip it. Nope.
Those just don't sound healthy.
Yeah, they sound stupid. Whippets.
Like what?
I don't know, dude.
Don't you only get a like?
It's like for like 30 seconds
Yeah.
too. You're like, just suck helium. It's cheaper, probably a little better for you too.
It's like making a potion without adding fucking redstone into it, dude.
Yeah, exactly.
Like,
It's
like
just-
what's the point?
yeah, exactly.
Like, what's the point?
I mean, like, what's the deal with whippets? I mean, what are you whipping?
I wish I could talk like Jerry Seinfeld, dude.
I wish I was Jerry Seinfeld, dude. I bet you he gets head.
100%. He's gotten head at least 3 times in his life.
I think a little more than that. At least like 5 to 7.
Yeah, I'm still at 0.
Yeah, I'm still at -2. I got negative head because I want no, I don't want to tell the story. I'm not telling that story tonight.
It's called cock and ball torture.
My cock and balls got tortured. Having a penis is like kind of a benefit because like if you have a vagina, you can't really do much harm to it without having like horrible repercussions. You know what I mean? Because with your penis, yeah, you could batter that shit to hell. Worst thing that'll happen is you lose it. With your vagina, you can't lose your vagina. Like you have to keep it. You know what I mean?
You shove a pine cone.
Yeah, you shove a pine cone in your vagina, dude. Like you're suffering. Like you have to live with that for the rest of your life.
Now that's women's suffrage.
Yeah. But you put a pine cone in your dick hole. Worst thing happens, you lose your dick.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? That's worst case scenario. You lose it, and then like, all right, you can still pee. You know, I mean, you can't have sex, but
That's fine.
yeah, I mean, it's not gonna happen. It anyways.
It's
yeah.
not like I'm having sex.
Yeah, I'm not even missing out really. Like,
Do you remember this last pattern, dude?
ooh, I hope so.
You don't even have half heat, so I think you're good.
My wife's in heat. I don't know what that means, but I don't know if that's hot. Like, is that supposed to be like hot?
I think that means she got in trouble with the cops or something.
I thought that meant she was on her period.
She's in the heat. Is that what she said?
Yeah, like my wife's in heat. Or something. I thought
I'm pretty sure that means you just got in trouble.
You think so? I thought that. I swear that meant like she was horny or something. You know when you get horny, like you get kind of flushed or something.
You get flushed?
Yeah, like flushed away in the movie. I don't know, dude.
I don't know what you're talking about.
If you know what I'm talking about, please leave it in the comments below. If not, what are you watching this for?
Yeah.
I'm gonna categorize this as education, not even gaming, because like they're learning about what women and heat is and stuff. Better go this way, maybe. Oh nope.
Dude.
All right. There you go. Oh.
Turn.
Tintin. Ever seen the movie Tintin?
What was it about?
I don't know. About like some British boy and some sea cat. It's pretty much Flapjack and Captain Knuckles, but like with a realistic animation.
No, I never saw that.
Boom! I beat it, dude. First try.
Good shit. Yeah, first try. Yeah.
Yeah.
He just drives off with a moonshine, just leaves you there.
Did you know this is actually the only GTA game to have a child in it?
Really?
Yeah.
Whose child?
There's a baby. There's a baby here, dude.
Is it the baby?
It is the baby.
Is that Spice Adams? You just pulled Spice Adams out of
Dude,
the car.
I just stole Spice Adams' car and I was running like a bitch.
He hasn't done his chores.
Spice Adam exposed.
Again.
Crap.
When you get the text saying he hasn't done his chores, you talking about your little brother that's sick?
Probably.
Like, yeah, he's sick. That's why he's not doing the fucking chores, right. You whore.
A thing.
And then like if you clean up your mess, the kitchen never gets dirty.
Exactly.
I wish people in my house understand that.
God, I need a wife and kids. Pokimane, if you're listening to this, Pokimane, please, I'm single.
Just give him a chance.
Yeah, just give me a chance, please, Pokimane. I know you don't know what dude, what? He's in the army, dude. He can't smoke weed. Shut up, Cheery.
I thought he's.
Oh my god, that's a fat ass gun.
I thought it said this just silent my asshole.
He farts too much. He was just silence his asshole.
Puts a butt plug in. He farts. That shit flies out.
Do you think any butt plug whistles?
Like what? Where you fart it whistles?
Yeah.
That'd be funny.
Do you think it's been invented yet? Cause it should be. That'd be kind of like pretty friggin' funny. Okay, why are you looking at porn on your phone?
I'm on private browsing. Butt plug whistle. It's called a recto flute.
I'm gonna pull up an image of that when I'm editing this.
Yeah, you just need to put an image of that on the screen.
Yeah, the recto flute.
The recto flute. Easy entry shape, new tone control with muscle contraction.
What the heck? It's like you control the pitch by flexing your bunghole. That's kind of impressive, dude. Like, man, people just go
If I
above and
had
beyond.
this, I would eat some ice cream and then play a fucking symphony.
Dude, people go above and beyond with everything they do, man. Humans are just incredible. It's just crazy, man.
Someone said this, but with scented cartridges to make your farts minty. Like, I think they're being serious. I think they like the idea of the recto flutes.
I like the idea of the recto flute, but you know, the whole scented cartridge is not a bad idea either. Make your fart smell good, man. Holy crap. Holy crap.
Yeah, it's not a bad idea. I just like hanging air freshener above my ass.
Yeah, I put it above my gooch. Like, I hang it from my penis. To freshen up the old gooch and balls.
Look at that moon, dude.
Wow, that's a big ass
That is a
moon.
big
That is a
ass.
huge moon. It's like when my dad flashes his ass cheeks at me. A big old moon.
That's a fat ass.
My dad's fat.